This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Derek Baumgartner. Investment opportunity on 6.9 plus-minus acre waterfront estate with 318 on the Indian River Lagoon south of Walton Road. Old Florida fishing camp with main house, 3 cottages plus workshop. The property consists of 2 separate parcel IDs with 5.37 acres and adjoining 1.6 acre vacant lot. The main home, approximately 1,600 square feet west single garage, enclosed. All buildings are CBS built in 1958. The structures are on the front of the property near the river and the remaining acreage is usable for shop garage or barn. The second parcel is adjoining, towards the rear, the 5 acres. It is 1.6 acres, no structures. You can build a main home and guest home. The vacant land parcel is separate so can be sold off. For more information, review the details below or contact Derek Baumgartner at 772-283-2800.